Hi children, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. Today we are here to continue with our lesson. Let's watch the video. Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to learn mathematics for 6 years old. Let's check the quick notes. These are the topics that we will learn for this semester. Multiplication. In Bahasa Malaysia, operasi darab. Multiplication can be expressed as repeated addition, groups, and array. Operasi darab boleh dinyatakan sebagai operasi tambah yang berulang, pengkelasan dan penyusunan objek dalam bentuk lajur dan baris. Now, what do we mean by the above definition? Let's look at this picture. 4 groups of 2's. You remember, we have learned about counting in 2's before? Good. Now, 4 groups of 2's. In this picture, we have 4 groups of fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the groups. And in each group, there are 2 fish. 1, 2. 2 fish. Number of objects in each group. And the group here, 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of fish. There are 4 groups of 2 fish each. Terdapat 4 kumpulan yang mengandungi 2 ekor ikan setiap kumpulan. 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 2 fish each. Each group will have 2 fish. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So basically, it is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups times 2 fish in each group. Therefore, the total number of fish is 8. Let's watch the video for multiplication. There are 2 fish in each group. 1, 2. First group. 1, 2. 2 fish in the second group. 1, 2. 2 fish in the third group. 1, 2. 2 fish in the fourth group. So, there are 2 fish in each group. First group, second group, third group, and fourth group. Therefore, there are 4 groups of 2 fish each. 4 times 2 equals to 8. Now, let's count the total number of fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fish all together. Okay children, this is a multiplication square. You will learn more about this multiplication square when you go to standard 1. But let me just give you a brief explanation of the multiplication square. This is how you use the multiplication square. Look at this. For example, 1 times 1 equals to 1. Another example, 7 times 6 equals to 42. Another example, 9 times 8 equals to 72. But now, let's learn the basic understanding of multiplication. Quick note on division. Division, operasi bahagi, can be expressed as share, divide or group equally. Boleh dinyatakan sebagai perkongsian, pembahagian atau pengkelasan secara sama rata. The number of objects are split into groups equally. Bilangan objek dipecahkan kepada kumpulan sama rata. Here are some examples. There are 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls altogether. The balls need to be put in 3 boxes equally. We have to put 6 balls into 3 different boxes equally. Each box has 2 balls. First box, we will put 2 balls into it. 1, we put here, 2 here. 2 balls into the first box. This is the second box. Let's put another 2 balls into the second box. 1, the ball over here, 2, this ball over here. So another 2 balls into the second box. The third box, let's put the balance of these 2 balls into the third box. 1 ball over here and another ball over here. 2 balls into the third box. Therefore, all the 6 balls had been divided equally into these 3 boxes. Each box will have 2 balls. Let's watch the video to understand further. Children, now we are going to learn about division. We have 3 animals in each box. We have turtle, octopus, and a bear. And we are going to give these balls to each of the animals. Let's count how many balls do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Altogether, there are 9 balls in this box. Let's divide these balls to each of the animals. 1 for Mr. Turtle, 1 green ball for Mr. Octopus, and 1 red ball for Mr. Bear. We still have a lot more balls to give out, so let's keep giving. Another ball for Mr. Turtle, another green ball for Mr. Octopus, and a red ball for Mr. Bear. We still have 3 more balls left in the box. Shall we give it out to the toys?
Yes.
Alright. Last ball. Yellow ball for Mr. Turtle, green ball for Mr. Octopus, and the last red ball for Mr. Bear. No more balls in the box. Now, how many balls does each of the animal get? Let's count. Mr. Turtle gets 1, 2, 3 yellow balls. 3 yellow balls. Mr. Octopus gets 1, 2, 3 green balls. And Mr. Bear, 1, 2, 3 red balls. So when we divide 9, divided to 3 animals, each animal will get 3 balls. Quick note on fraction in Bahasa Malaysia pecahan. In words, 1 whole, 1. Fraction, pecahan, 1. 1 whole. Diagram, 1 whole. Example, 1 whole pizza. Half or 1/2 or 1/2. In Bahasa Malaysia, setengah ataupun 1/2. In fraction, 1/2 or half. In diagram, this is half. The shaded area here is half or 1/2 or 1/2. Example, half of a pizza. Next, in words, 1/4 or 1/4. In Bahasa Malaysia, 1/4 atau 1 suku. In fraction, 1/4 or 1/4. In diagram, this shaded area is 1/4 or 1/4. Example, a quarter slice of the pizza. In words, 3/4 or 3/4. In Bahasa Malaysia, 3/4 atau 3 suku. In fraction, 3/4 or 3/4. In diagram, the shaded area here is 3/4 or 3/4. Example, 3/4 of pizza. Let's watch the next video for further understanding on fraction. Hello children, now I am going to teach you about fraction. This is a whole circle. If I were to cut the circle into 2 parts of equal sizes, this will be 1/2, half. This part is 1/2, half. 1/2, 1/2. If we were to put it together again, it will be 1 whole. 1/2, half. 1/2, half. Put it together, 1 whole. Now, I am going to discuss with you about quarter. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, quarter. This is 1 whole. If I were to cut it into 4 equal sizes, this will be 1/4, quarter, 1/4, a quarter, 1/4, a quarter, and 1/4, a quarter. If we were to put it together again, this will become 1 whole. Quarter, a quarter, a quarter, and a quarter. Put it together again, it will be 1 whole. Let's recap. Half. Put it together again, 1 whole. A quarter, a quarter, a quarter, a quarter. Put it together again, you will get 1 whole. Quick note on money. In Bahasa Malaysia, wang. Types of coins in Malaysia. Jenis-jenis duit shilling di Malaysia. 50 cent, 20 cent, 10 cent, and 5 cent. Type of notes in Malaysia. Jenis-jenis wang kertas di Malaysia. 1 ringgit Malaysia, 5 ringgit Malaysia, 10 ringgit Malaysia, 20 ringgit Malaysia, 50 ringgit Malaysia, and 100 ringgit Malaysia. We can do also the addition using money. For example, 10 ringgit Malaysia plus another 10 ringgit Malaysia equals to 20 ringgit Malaysia. In coins, 50 cent plus 10 cent equals to 60 cents. We can also do subtraction using money. For example, 5 ringgit Malaysia minus 2 ringgit Malaysia to purchase a pen. That will leave you a balance of 3 ringgit Malaysia. 50 cents plus 50 cents, that will give you a total of 1 ringgit Malaysia. Then if you purchase a popcorn that costs 60 cents, it will leave you with only 40 cents. Now let's watch the video for further understanding on money. Now we are going to learn more about money. I am going to introduce to you the notes. Ringgit Malaysia. Our currency is Ringgit Malaysia. This is a 50 ringgit note. Look at this number over here, 50. 50. This is 50 ringgit Malaysia. This is 20 ringgit Malaysia. 20. 20. 20 ringgit Malaysia. This is 10 ringgit Malaysia. 10. 10. 10 ringgit Malaysia. This is 5 ringgit Malaysia. 5. 5. 5 ringgit Malaysia. And this is 1 ringgit Malaysia. 1. 1. 1 ringgit Malaysia. Notice the different colors for each of the notes. 50 ringgit, it is blue. 20 ringgit is orange. 10 ringgit is red. 5 ringgit is green. And 1 ringgit is dark blue. Now, we also will introduce to you the coins, shillings. 50 cents, 20 cents, 10 cents, and 5 cents. Notice the numbers on the coin. 50, 20, 10, and 5. These are the coins. And this is the Malaysian currency. Okay, children, let's do simple addition of the notes. 10 ringgit plus 5 ringgit. It's equal to 15 ringgit. 15 ringgit. 5 ringgit plus 1 ringgit is 6 ringgit. If you add on another 1 ringgit, total will be 7 ringgit. 5, 6, 7 ringgit. If you were to add on another 1 ringgit, the total will be 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ringgit altogether. Now, teacher will explain to you about coins. These are some coins. How do you identify the value of the coin? You have to look at the number stated on the coin. Like this one, you will see 5 cents. The value of this coin is 5 cents. There is number 10 here, so the value of this coin is 10 cents. The number on the coin here is 20, so it is 20 cents. And the number stated on this coin is 50, so the value of this coin is 50 cents. Let's do some simple addition of the coins. 5 cents plus 5 cents equals to 10 cents. Okay? Now, 5 cents plus 5 cents plus another 5 cents plus another 5 cents. It is equals to 20 cents. Equals to 20 cents. Or it is also equals to 10 cents plus another 10 cents, which is 20 cents. Let's do more examples. 20 cents plus 20 cents is 40 cents. Plus another 10 cents, it is 50 cents, which is equals to 1 50-cent coin. Another example, 10 cents plus 5 cents equals to 15 cents, which is equals to 5 cents plus another 5 cents plus 5 cents. This is 15 cents as well. 20 cents plus 10 cents equals to 30 cents. It is also the same value as 10 cents plus 10 cents plus another 10 cents. 30 cents, 30 cents. Quick note on time. Waktu dan masa. Morning in bahasa Malaysia, pagi. Afternoon in bahasa Malaysia, tengah hari. Evening in bahasa Malaysia, petang. Night in bahasa Malaysia, malam. Types of clocks. Jenis-jenis jam. Analog clock. Digital clock. Now, let's try and figure out what time is it. Look at this clock. You will notice the shorthand showing at number 4, and the longhand for minutes is showing at number 6. So the time now is 4:30 or 4:30. Waktu sekarang ialah pukul 4:30. Look at the second clock. The shorthand is showing the hour. It is at 2. And the longhand is showing the minute at number 6, which is 30 minutes. So the time now is 2:30 or 2:30. In bahasa Malaysia, pukul 2:30 petang. Look at this clock. The shorthand showing the hour is at 9 o'clock, and the longhand showing the minutes is at number 6, which is 30 minutes. Therefore, this clock is showing 9:30 or 9:30. In bahasa Malaysia, pukul 9:30. Let's watch the video about time for your further understanding.
Types of clocks. There are many types of clocks and watches. The most common types of display on clocks are analog and digital.
Hello children, now we will learn about time. Well, how do you know the time? Let's learn how to read the clock. The shorthand will show you the hour. If it moves to number 1, this is 1 o'clock. The shorthand will move around the clock. And let's say if it stops at number 5, this is 5 o'clock. Now why don't you give it a try? If the shorthand moves to number 8, what do you think is the time now?
8 o'clock.
Very good. It is 8 o'clock. And if it moves to number 11, what is the time now?
11 o'clock.
Very well. And if it goes straight up to number 12, what is the time now?
It's 12 o'clock.
It is 12 o'clock. Very well, children. Now, let's understand the longhand. The longhand will show you the minutes. From number 12 to number 1, there is 5 minutes. So if the longhand is showing at number 1, the time now is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12, 5 minutes. If the longhand keeps moving and it is showing number 2, what is the minutes? Let's count. We have to do counting in 5s. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minutes. So the time now is 12, 10 minutes. The longhand will keep moving to number 3. What is the minute now? Let's do counting in 5. 10, 11, 12,
13, 14,
15. So 15 minutes. The time now is 12, 15 minutes. It moves to number 4. 15, you do counting in 5s. 15 plus 5. Can you please count? 15,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
So, at number 4, it is 20 minutes. Let's count. Add on another 5. 20,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
we move to number 5 here. It is already 25 minutes. And we add on another 5. From 25,
26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30. So the long arm will move here. It is already 30 minutes. So the short arm is showing
12.
how many minutes?
30 minutes.
So the clock is showing 12:30 minutes. If the shorthand moves to number 3 and the long hand is at number 6, the time now is 3:30. 3:30. Okay, children, why don't you give it a try? The short hand is now moving around the clock and it is stopping at number 8. What is the time now?
8:30.
Yes, 8:30. 8, 30. Very good. If it is at number 10, what is the time now?
10:30 minutes.
Very good. 10:30. Very well, children. I hope you understand about time. Hello, children. Welcome to the mathematics class for 6 years old. Today, we are going to learn about counting in 2s, 5s, and 10s. Look at these fingers on the table. It's 2 sets of hands. Let's count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 fingers all together. Let's count in 2s. So, let's just leave 2 fingers. 1, 2. Okay? 2 plus 2, 2, 3, 4. 4. Add on another 2. 4, 5, 6. Add on another 2. 6, 7, 8. Add on another 2. 8, 9, 10. So for counting in 2s, you will see 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. And the addition continues on and on. Now we will be counting in 5s. Remember, we have 5 fingers on one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we do counting in 5s, we will keep adding on 5 to the last digit. Let's count. 5 plus 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10 plus 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 5. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. And you can keep adding on 5 to the last digit. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And the number goes on and on by adding 5. Now, we are going to continue with counting in 10s. Remember, we have 5 fingers on one hand. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another 5 fingers on the other hand. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 plus another 10. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30. We add on another 10. as we are doing counting in tens. 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Let's add on another 10 to the 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. This is number 50. And we can keep adding on 10 fingers to the last number when we are doing counting in tens.
Please take out this book.
Now let's do some exercises on multiplication and division. Please turn to page 6 and let's try to do the first exercise. Count in 2. Kira dalam gandaan 2. So you keep adding 2 to the number given. For example, what number is this?
2.
2. Now 2, you add on another 2. 2, 3, 4. So you get 4 over here. Plus another 2. 4, 5, 6. 6. Now 6 plus another 2. 6, 7, 8. 8. You plus another 2 to number 8. 8, 9, 10. 10 over here. Plus another 2. 10 plus 2. 10, 11, 12. 12. Now plus another 2 to number 12. 12, 13, 14. That's why the last answer is 14. Shall we try the next one?
Yes.
Alright, what is the number given here?
21.
21. We are doing counting in twos, so we are going to plus 2. 21 plus 2, 21, 22, 23. Now let's plus another 2. 23, 24, 25. Plus another 2. 25, 26, 27. Right. Now plus another 2. 27, 28, 29. Plus 2. 29, 30, 31. Plus 2. 31, 32, 33. Yay! We've got all the answers. Good job. Next, count in fives. Kira dalam gandaan 5. Let's add on 5 to the number given. What is the number given here?
5.
Let's plus another 5. 5 plus 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. We will add on another 5 to number 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What do we do next?
Plus 5.
Yes. Add another 5 to number 15. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's add another 5 to number 20. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. What do we do next?
Plus 5.
Yes. Add another 5 to number 25. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. What do we do next?
Plus 5.
Yes, keep adding another 5. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yay, we got the answer correct. Now, let's try the second exercise for counting in 5. What is the number given here?
40.
40. Let's add another 5 to number 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 40, 45. Good job. Now let's add another 5 to number 45. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Is it 51 or 50?
50.
Yes, 50. How do you write number 50?
5
And 0. Good job. Now, let's keep on adding another 5 to number 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Good job. What do we do next?
Plus 5.
Yes, keep adding another 5 to number 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. What do we do next?
Plus 5.
Yes, keep adding another 5 to number 60. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. And keep adding another 5 to number 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Let's see if our answer is correct. Yay! We got the correct answer. Good job, children. Okay, children. These two hands will give you a total of 10 fingers. Let's count together with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fingers all together. Now let's try and do exercise in counting in tens. Count in tens. Kira dalam gandaan 10. Given number here is 10. So what do? We add another 10 to number 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, we got 20, then we add another 10. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You see the pattern? 10, 20, 30. So if we add another 10, what do you think the next number will be?
40.
Good. It is 40. Shall we try and check with the fingers?
Yes.
Alright. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Clever. Right, now 40. Let's add on another 10 since we are doing counting in tens. Now look at the number pattern. 10, 20, 30, 40. What do you think the next number would be?
50.
Yes, 50. You see the numbers are all the same. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If we add another 10, what do you think the next number will be?
50.
Do you think it will be 50?
Yes.
No. Let's try. 50 plus 10. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59,
60.
60. Yes, the answer is 60. Then if you add another 10 to 60, it will be 70. Now let's check. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Yay! We got the correct answer. Okay, let's do the last exercise to count in tens. Given number 30, if we plus another 10, it will be 40. Now let's try and check with the fingers. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yay, it's correct. Now let's add on another 10. What do you think the next number will be?
50.
Correct. 30, 40, 50. Now let's add on another 10. What do you think the next number will be?
60.
Yes, 60. 30, 40, 50, 60. Add another 10. What do you think the next number will be?
70.
Yes, 70. If you are not sure, let's count. 60 plus 10 is 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Add on another 10. What is the number pattern that you can see? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70,
80.
yes, 80. And you add on another 10, you will get 90. Good job!
Okay children, that's all for today. We will do more exercises on multiplication in our next video. See you!